Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahdi English School. This is the video for students of Standard 2, Subject Science. So, before we proceed with our video, as every day we read a thought, let us read today's thought. To be the best, you must be able to handle the worst. So, what is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is that if you want to be the best, you have to handle the worst situation. You have to keep yourself relaxed in the worst situation and face the problem as it comes. Never run away. And these are the instructions that I am giving you every day. For repeating the instructions, I want you to be attentive. Don't tease others. Don't watch TV while eating. Take part in the physical activities. Be friendly and do not fight with others. Do your homework regularly. Don't scribble on the walls. Throw rubbish in the dustbin. And do not accept gift from the strangers. In our today's video, the content that we will cover is lesson number 10, Air Around Us. I will give you the recap of the previous video. We will cover the notes of the chapter, continued, the notes which are left for discussion, and then we will solve the question bank of the chapter. So let us continue. First, I will tell you the notes. I will read the notes with you, whichever are left. Then we will move ahead and solve the worksheet of lesson number 10, Air Around Us. So, you have to give the heading as you give every day in your rough book when you are writing. First thing important is giving the heading. Write in the heading lesson number 10, Air Around Us. Then give the heading, subheading of fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks we are solving. We are reading fill in the blanks which were left out for reading, but you might have written in the fair book already as it was given in homework. If not, then do write it in the fair book as well. Number 1. Moving air is called dash. Moving air is called wind. We have studied about wind in this lesson, that wind helps us in many ways. For sailing the boat, for flying a kite, it turns the blades of the windmill, it dries up the clothes faster. So, moving air is called wind. Number 2. Dash helps clothes dry faster. So, the same thing which I told you in the above sentence. Answer is wind, not dust. Answer is wind. Helps clothes dry faster. When you dry up clothes outside in the hot sun, the clothes get dried up because of wind. Number 3. A dash can damage trees and houses. What can damage trees and houses? Storm. S-T-O-R-M. Storm. A storm can damage houses and trees because it blows very fast. It is very harmful. It is storm. Number 4. Dash come out of vehicles and makes the air dirty. When the vehicles are moving on the road, like auto rickshaw, trucks, cars, scooters, that are all called vehicles. When these vehicles are moving on the road, what comes out of them? Smoke. S-M-O-K-E. Smoke. Smoke comes out of vehicles and makes the air dirty. Number 5. Dash enter the air when someone sneezes. when you sneeze, there is irritation in your nose and you sneeze, what will enter in the air? Answer is germs. 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 So, what should you do? You should cover your nose, cover your mouth while sneezing so that the others around you will not get germs. They will not get infected with germs. So, these were the 5 fill in the blanks that were left for discussing, that is of lesson number 10. And I have already sent this PDF in the group and I expect you have already completed it. Now, what we are going to study is the question bank. Question bank is the extra exercise of the chapter, that is lesson number 10. We will do the extra exercises so that we can get some more knowledge from the lesson and we can revise the lesson. So let us start. Here is the question bank. Lesson 10, Air Around Us. In that, we are going to solve fill in the blanks and question banks. Fill in the blanks we already read. Now, let us solve the question bank. This question bank you have to write one time in the rough book, not in the fair book. One time you will write this question bank in your rough book so that you can get some extra practice of the lesson. Now, the first thing that we have over here is fill in the blanks that we just read. I am just revising with you again. Moving air is called wind. Wind helps clothes dry faster. A storm can damage trees and houses. Smoke comes out of vehicles and makes the air dirty. See this smoke which comes out. It makes our air very dirty and polluted. And number 5 we had seen, germs enter the air when someone sneezes. See how the girl is sneezing. So the germs will enter. When you sneeze, the germs come out of your mouth and nose. So you should cover it with a handkerchief, right? So that we had learnt. Now we are solving the question bank, as I said. So, first thing in question bank that we have, underline the incorrect word and write the correct one in the given space. So the sentence is given, we have to read it, we have to find out which word is wrong, we will underline that word, wrong word, and we will write the correct word over there, right? So first we will read the sentence twice so that you can understand where is the wrong word written. For that you should have a good understanding of the chapter. Now, number 1, the ball filled with air is lighter than a deflated ball. See what's written over here. The ball which is filled with air, it is light in weight than the deflated ball. So is it right? What is the mistake over here? The word lighter, that is wrong. Because, see, this ball which is filled with air is heavier than this ball. The ball which is filled with air is heavier. This is heavier than this. This is deflated, means the air is not filled inside it. So here we will replace this word lighter with the word heavier. What is the spelling? Heavier. Heavier. See, this is the correct word. Heavier. Heavier. Because this ball or this balloon will be heavier. It is filled with air. This is deflated without air. So this will be lighter. Here instead of lighter you have to write heavier. Then number 2 is given. Dust gives shape to things. See, This is balloon. The balloon is in the shape of the heart. The shape is given to this. But dust gives the shape to the things. Is it? Does the dust give the shape to the balloon? No, it is wrong. What gives the shape to the balloon? Air. When the air is filled inside it, this balloon will get the shape. So instead of dust, which word shall we write? A-I-R. Air. Air gives shape to the things, not dust. So instead of dust, you will write air. And the whole sentence, the rest of the sentence will be as it is. Then, number 3. We must cough in fresh and clean air. We must cough in fresh and clean air. What should we do in the fresh and clean air? Should we do coughing? No. What is this process called when you take in oxygen and you breathe out carbon dioxide? That is called breathing, not coughing. You should not do cough in the air. You should not do coughing in the fresh and clean air. You should breathe. So, what is the spelling? I'll write it for you. B-R-E-A-T-H-E. Breathe. We should breathe. We must breathe in fresh and clean air. Remove this word and write this word. Then, next. The smoke from wet clothes is converted into water vapor. What is converted into water vapor? Is the smoke converted into vapor? No. This is not the smoke. From these wet clothes, what comes out? See this drops. Water comes out from these wet clothes and it is converted into water vapor. The smoke does not come out. The water comes out from these wet clothes. So instead of smoke, we should write water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Remove this word. See, I will underline the wrong word. You have to remove this word and write water. Next. Another name for gentle wind is vane. So this is wrong over here. What is gentle wind called? Gentle wind is called what? Is it called vane? No. A gentle wind is called breeze. So the correct answer will be B-R-E-E-Z-E, breeze. Gentle wind is called breeze. That is another name for gentle wind. Then, next question. A kite can fly with water. So here it is clearly seen that what is the wrong word. When you fly the kite in the sky, it does not fly with water. So with what does it fly? It flies with wind. It needs wind for flying, not water. So this is wrong word. And the correct word I am writing, you can also write it with me. W-I-N-D. Wind. A kite can fly with wind. So that's the correct word. Then, number 7. Breeze can be harmful. Breeze is a gentle wind. It is very soft. It blows very slowly. So that is not harmful. So what can be harmful? Storm can be harmful. It can destroy houses and trees. So here you have to remove this word. This is the wrong word, breeze. The harmful is storm. S-T-O-R-M. Storm. Storm can be harmful, not the breeze. Storm can be harmful, not the breeze. So here we completed the first question. Underline the wrong word and write the correct word. See, all these are the words that we have done. Lighter, you have to remove lighter and write heavier. In the second, you have to remove dust and write air. In the third one, you have to remove cough and write breathe. Number 4, you have to remove smoke and write water. Number 5, you have to remove rain and write breeze. Number 6, you have to remove water and write wind. And number 7, you should remove breeze and write storm. Next question we have is give one word for the following GOW, but these are extra exercises. This you will not write in the fair book. So students, those who are calling up, those who are asking the doubts on messages, please note that give one word has to be written in rough book, because this give one words are the extra. In the fair book you have already written the textual exercises, the fair book notes, but now this you will write in rough book. So, number 1, given of when something burns. See, when something is burning over here, what is given of? What comes out when something burns? What is the thing that comes out of it? The thing that comes out when something burns, that is called smoke. What comes out? Smoke comes out when something burns. So I will write the spelling of smoke, S-M-O-K-E, smoke, S-M-O-K-E, smoke. Given of when something burns. Whenever something burns, the thing that comes out in the gaseous form, that is smoke, S-M-O-K-E, smoke, and it makes our air dirty. So we should produce less smoke so that we can protect our environment. Number 2, make the air fresh and clean. What makes our air fresh and clean? What should we grow more and more? What is of green color? That makes its own food. It gives us oxygen. That is plant. So the answer we should write is plants. P-L-A-N-T-S. Plants. That makes our air fresh and clean. You know what? Plants make our air clean. It just cleans our air, the air around us, and it gives us oxygen of the best quality. So if you want the best quality oxygen for breathing, you should grow more and more plants, as many plants as possible in your surroundings. Next, a small living thing that can make you ill. What is the smallest thing that will make you ill? What is it? So that small thing which can make us ill, that is germ. Germs you can say in plural. So here you will write germ, G-E-R-M, germ. It is a small thing that can make you ill. Germ makes you ill. Or you can write germs. It is microscopic. You cannot see that with the naked eyes, but you can see that with microscope. Germs are there. When you go outside and you come back, you wash your hands so that the germs will not enter your mouth. Next, moving air helps us in many ways. Which is the moving air that helps us in many ways? So moving air is called wind, and wind helps us in many ways. Let's write the answer. W-I-N-D, wind. W-I-N-D, wind. It helps us for flying kite, for sailing the boat, for drying the clothes faster. Then, next, strong and fast blowing wind is called dash. A strong and fast blowing wind is called storm. You can see what happens when there is storm. The trees might fall down, the kacha houses might fall down. That is called storm. So strong and fast blowing wind, it may fall down the trees and it may destroy some of the houses. That is called storm. Next, a gentle wind is called dash. A gentle wind is called breeze. You can enjoy breeze when you are sleeping outside in the veranda. What is the spelling? B-R-E-E-Z-E. Breeze. B-R-E-E-Z-E. Breeze. It is a gentle wind, means the wind which blows at a very slow speed, and we enjoy cool breeze. So this was the next question. Give one word. After that, what do we have? Answer the following questions. Means you have to read over here and you have to give the correct answers. So the questions are given in green color so that you can read it properly. See, the green color are the questions and the black color is the answer. So the first question is, give 3 properties of air. Which are the 3 properties of air? We already studied in the lesson. Let us read. Number 1, air fills space. The empty space is filled by air, like the empty space in the classroom, the empty space in the room, or anywhere. The empty space is filled by air. Air gives shape to the things, right? We have seen the football, the ball, or we have also seen the tires of the vehicles, the balloons. So that air gives shape to the things. Air has weight. So when you feel the air in a balloon or in the ball, that will become heavier. Before you feel the air, it is lighter when it is deflated, but when you fill up the air, it increases in weight. So these are the 3 properties of air. Number 2, why do we wet clothes dry faster under the sun? Why do wet clothes dry faster under the sun? These are the wet clothes, right? After washing, we hang it outside on a rope on a sunny day. So the heat of the sun will make the clothes dry. Why? Wet clothes dry faster under the sun because the heat of the sun changes the water present in these clothes into water vapor. So what does the sunlight do? The heat of the sun or the sunlight will fall on these clothes, and the water which is there in the clothes, it will change into vapor. What will happen? The water inside these clothes will change into vapor, and the vapor will fly away in the sky and the clothes will get dried. This is the process that happens when you hang the clothes outside on the rope after washing them. Next, why? So when do we feel air? What are the things that you do when you feel air? When do you feel air? We feel the moving air while doing various physical activities. Physical activities means like this: running or jumping, skipping, any type of outdoor games that you play. When you are doing some physical exercises, at that time you can feel the air blowing. So that is the point when you feel the air while doing the physical activities. So here the word physical activities is important. Then next question, how does dirty air make us sick? The air which is dirty, it makes us sick. So how does it make us sick? What does it do and makes us sick? So these are the reasons: dust, smoke and germs are present in dirty air which makes us sick. What is present? Dust, smoke and germs. These 3 things are present, and when you breathe in this kind of air, you will be sick and you have to take medicines. See, this girl has got fever because the air around her was dirty, full of dust, smoke, and germs. So, we must breathe in neat and clean air in order to be healthy all the time. Next question. Can we dry clothes in air? Yes, the answer is very easy. Yes, we can. We can dry the clothes in the air because, as I said, the sunlight will absorb the water from these clothes and make the clothes dry. So, answer is yes. Next question. What does a storm do? When there is a storm, that is the wind blowing at a very high speed, the wind which is strong and blows very fast, that is storm. What does a storm do? A storm can be harmful, it can be dangerous, it can blow things away. See, it can blow the things away and damage the trees and houses. When there is storm, the wind will be blowing at a very great speed and it can be harmful, means it can do harm to our houses and to our trees around us. It can damage both the things. We live in a house, it can damage a house. We need trees for oxygen, it can damage the trees also. So you should be very careful when there is storm around. Next, give 6 uses of wind. This is a long question. It may be asked in the exam, not directly, then indirectly. But you should know the 6 uses of wind. Number 1, wind helps a kite fly. You can fly the kite with the help of wind. Number 2, wind helps a boat sail. Boat can sail with the help of wind. Number 3, wind turns the blades of a windmill. You might have seen the windmill. It is rotating all the time because the blades are turning with the wind. Wind helps clothes dry faster, that we just saw. Wind helps hot air balloon to move in the sky. You have seen balloon, right? When you leave that hot air balloon, it will start going up, flying up in the sky. That is because of wind. And number 6, parachute fly with the help of moving air. How does a parachute fly? Parachute is the thing which you need when you are landing down, when you are flying in the sky, when you just land down. You need a parachute to fly and you can land safely on the ground. So parachute will fly with the help of the moving air. So these are the 6 uses of wind. So we end our video today with this answer, and in the next video we shall continue with the question bank of the same chapter. I hope all of you are watching the videos every day and completing your book on time. Thank you for watching my video, and all of you have a wonderful day.